Good morning, everyone. Hey, it's Gayon here in Southern California. Welcome. So today I'm making a ham ham roll up. So as part of my healthy eating group, I have a group that I created on Facebook. So if you want to join a movement with me, hashtag Eat Better to Feel Better movement, where it's all about eating healthier. So I'm starting this new group, helping helping others to eat healthier, support one another, motivate one another, etc. So today is day 2 challenge. So I started a challenge this week of eating a healthy breakfast for 5 days. So we're in day 2 of the challenge, and today's breakfast of the day is ham roll up. So that's what I'll be making here in a minute. I'll be showing you guys in a sec how to make this. It's very easy. So instead of using ham, because I'm not a big fan of ham, I'm using the turkey breast oven roast deli meat. So you can get a ham deli meat, and we're gonna roll it up and make a burrito with it. So stick around. I'll be on shortly to show you how to make this ham roll up. Be on in a
Okay,
second.
guys. So again, we're making a ham roll up. This is day 2 of the day 2 challenge. This is the breakfast of the day. So it's a very simple breakfast. So I got the turkey breast oven roasted, the deli meat. I got that instead of ham. So first thing I want to do, here's the deli meat. We're gonna use this to make the burrito with. So first thing I'm doing is I'm gonna heat it on the stove. So I'm gonna heat one side, then do the other side, put it in the plate. So what's gonna go in this, again, we're gonna make a burrito with this. We're gonna fold this into a burrito once we get all the ingredients on top. So what it consists of is scrambled eggs. So you need 4 scrambled eggs, and each roll up, we're gonna put 2 scrambled eggs in each roll up. And this is just for one person. So scrambled eggs, I'm gonna put some cheese, some shredded cheese on the scrambled egg. That's gonna go on top of the meat, the lunch meat, whatever meat you decide, ham or oven turkey breast, whichever you prefer. And then that with some avocado and some I'm using salsa. The recipe calls for tomatoes, but I'm using salsa, and that's it. You're gonna put the eggs, the avocado, and the salsa or tomato sauce, or I'm sorry, tomatoes. We're gonna roll it up and make a burrito, and that's it. That's it, guys. It's a very quick breakfast. So be back in a sec once I get my once the oven roasted rollers are done. I'm gonna put them on the plate, then get the eggs started. So back in a sec. And guys, and also the instructions, ingredients for this recipe is in the description of this video. So go there and get the instructions and the ingredients. So be back in a sec. Okay, guys. So my ham roll up is almost done here. But again, I'm using the turkey breast lunch meat, not the ham. Anyway, so I scrambled an egg with some cheese on top. I put a little bit of shredded cheese on top of the egg. Here we go. I got some avocados here on top of the roll up here. And all the last thing to do, I'm just gonna add some salsa to it. Add some salsa to the top of each. Add some salsa. And that's about it. And all you do, guys, that's it. The recipe says tomato, but I don't have tomato, so that's I'm adding the salsa on top. And all you do is you take it. It's probably gonna be too thick. Anyways, but the premise here is you want to fold it, into a burrito, and that's it, and eat it. So this is for one. This is a serving for one person. So we do. So again, today's day 2 breakfast challenge is the ham roll up, but I'm using the turkey breast instead, and scrambled egg, avocado, and some tomatoes or salsa, whatever you have. And that's it. So I'm going to roll this up and have this is my breakfast for today. This is day 2's challenge again. Anyways, guys, that's it. So it's just a matter of, the hardest thing to do here is scramble the egg. So I heat up the meat first, the lunch meat first on the stove, and then I use the same pan, and I made the scrambled eggs. And that's it, guys. Very simple breakfast. So anyways, thanks for joining. If you want to join my group to learn how to eat healthy and be a part of these challenges that I do, go ahead. The join the group is in the description here of the video. You can go there, click there, and join the group and be a part of this journey with me. Join the movement. Hashtag Eat Better to Feel Better movement to learn how to live healthier by eating healthier. So if you want to join that movement, join the group with me. Go there and join the group. It's in the description of this. What the description of the video is. Anyways, thanks for joining today, guys. Have a wonderful day. This is G signing off. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like. And I'd love to hear back from you if you guys tried. Comment, let me know what you thought. what your thoughts are, and would love to hear from you. So anyways, have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.